Early part of the career was a state agency. I was in state agency for 4 years. Natural progression to come out of a state agency was recruitment. So started as a consultant in a normal way at a big global organisation. That moved on, had a couple of jobs, moved up the ladder into senior roles, and joined TXM 5 years ago. As it was a manager role, but more of a team lead. There was one person in the team when I joined, and 5 years later, now a director of that division. When I was a manager or consultant, they would always listen in the sense of what my vision would be, where I want to go. They're supportive of that and help it, and I think that I believe in our future, and hopefully that filters down to everyone else. Massively, really, from the leadership team from when I first started. We've evolved as well as a business. The training team we have now in place that supports everyone. It's not just the work support though, outside of work they support you as well. And as well as us for the leadership team, we have external support with performance coaching as well, which has been an amazing experience to have that as well. Motivation is always high on my agenda anyway, personally. So the business as a whole captures that, sees that that's how I am, encourages it, helps me rein that to some degree as well. So, but really to show where we can go as a business and what my path is, having a very clear vision of the next 12, 18 and 5 years really helps focus where you want to be and what your current and long-term goal is. When we solved a problem for a client, and actually it was me flying to India to interview, take that client and actually solve that problem, which was way and above anything else that I'd done before, and it was really challenging, but the support again that TXM gave me to do that and allow me to do something that was completely new to me and the business, and it was a great success. So that's probably been one of my highlights.